It seems like, I don't know, the last 45 days, the market's really picking up.
That's right. I think that there's good momentum. And I would say even like in the 20 to 50 range, we have a handful of deals that we're looking at right now that might get done by the end of the year. Welcome to our 5-Minute Friday, Industrial Advisors. You have Bill Condon and Matt McGregor. And we're going to talk about net absorption and closing out the year and what things look like heading into 2026. So looks like we're going to be about negative 500,000 feet on the year.
Could be a little higher. If you look at our report, CBs, I think I looked at Kidder's, everybody was ranging between 3 and I think 600,000 feet. So it could be a little bit higher than that by the end of the year. Let's say negative 1 million.
Yeah, so not a great year from an absorption standpoint,
No.
But there are some pretty big deals that are out there. We're tracking, anywhere roughly around 5 million feet of bigger deals that are out there right now.
Just bigger deals, yeah.
Just bigger deals, yeah.
So we've got, so changes are coming on absorption early in 2026, right?
Yep.
With
be a great way to start, too. A couple of these deals get inked in the first quarter.
Yeah. So we think Amazon will likely be taking 2 of the large buildings that are existing that are completed. And then they're rumored to be taking another site that probably wouldn't absorb next year if nothing's built or started under contract. But then we've got 3 or 4 other deals that are kind of all 500 and north of that would total that, call 4 to 5 million of absorption that we're already looking at saying, probably going to happen.
And that's great. And then we always like to talk about the 1 to 200 range. The nice thing is, while that market still has a lot of vacancy, there's some deals that are taking place in that size range, which is great. Yeah. And you can tell a lot by that market.
Totally.
Yeah.
I mean, we have one listing in that, we have a few listings in that size range, as I think all listing brokers do, all teams do, that we hadn't had a proposal on in months, and all of a sudden we have 3, right? So a lot of tours, a lot of deals getting done, a few inked last week in that size range. And so I think changes are coming. It seems like, I don't know, the last 45 days, the market's really picking up.
That's right. I think that there's good momentum. And I would say even like in the 20 to 50 range, we have a handful of deals that we're looking at right now that might get done by the end of the year. So good activity.
Prediction on the end of the year absorption, and then prediction through 2 quarters of 2026.
I would say we're going to end up, call it negative, 600,000 feet for the year. And then next year, first half of the year, I bet we're on the positive side by 3 million feet halfway through.
3 million? Okay. I'm going to say we jump because of some deliveries to 1.2 to 1.5 on negative absorption by the end of this year. And I would agree with you. I think we're going to have a great year next year, but I do agree that it's not all going to ink in that time. So I'd say 3 to 4 million feet by the end of Q2.
Yeah. That would be a good first half of the year.
We'll take it.
Yes. So thank you for listening. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.